Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Chevy Bolt charging and range reporting, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Chevrolet app and log in using your account credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by providing the necessary information and verifying your email address. Once logged in, navigate to the My Vehicles section of the app. Select your Chevy Bolt from the list of vehicles associated with your account. Look for the option labeled Charging or Charging Options. Tap on this option to access charging subscription services and features. You will see a list of available subscription plans and features for charging and range reporting. Review each subscription option carefully to determine which one best fits your needs. Select the desired plan by tapping on it, then follow the prompts to confirm your choice. Provide any additional information required, such as payment details for subscription fees. Once your payment is processed, you'll receive a confirmation notification. Now, navigate back to the main menu of the Chevrolet app. Locate the range reporting feature, often found within the charging section. Activate range reporting by toggling the switch or selecting the option to enable it. You may need to set preferences for notifications regarding charging status and estimated range updates. Customize these settings according to how frequently you wish to receive notifications. After setting your preferences, save your changes to finalize the subscription. To monitor your charging session, return to the main dashboard of the app. Here you can view real-time updates on charging status, estimated range, and other useful metrics. Congratulations! Enjoy the convenience of managing your electric vehicle's charging and range information directly from your smartphone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.